Hi, welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom house in Pemberton Gardens. This is a semi-detached property. As you can see, you're going to a lovely spacious hallway, which leads straight through to a stunning living room. Take a look. Further down the hallway, you'll find a stunning galley kitchen on the back here, which leads down to a lovely conservatory on the back. And just through that conservatory, we lead straight onto a stunning garden on the back. Please take a look. And up here on the first floor, we have got the 3 bedrooms and your stunning bathroom. This is your first of the double bedrooms, which overlooks this stunning garden. This is your master bedroom. Both double rooms are really good sizes for this property, but this one is about 10%. And this is your third and your final room. If you're interested in this property, please feel free to contact us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.